A few moments later.
How about some grounders? You know the grounders? LaLa, pitch it on the ground. I think you stand up and then you hit the bat on the ground. You hit the ball. Just swing on the ground. That's called grounders. LaLa, you got to go over there and pitch.
Oh, I know what that is.
You go that way, Nyha, to the home base. Because you're batting up. And LaLa's the pitcher.
Like this? That. Throw the ball.
No, you have to stand up.
Oh.
Yeah.
And go like that.
Yeah.
Throw it, LaLa. No, throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground.
A few moments later.
Some more ball. Go. Aw, yes. Ow. Oopsie. And again. Aw, almost. Your turn. Here you go. Okay. Go. Again. Again. On you go. Silly you. And come on, get that ready. Go.
Good try, LaLa.
Okay, your turn. Come on, come on. And go. Hey, LaLa. And again.
Go, Nyha, go.
I got a home run! Yay! Here you go. Where's the ball at? No! Right there! Here you go. Over there. Okay. Go. Is that ready? Let me try. Oh no. Okay. Again. And go. Oh my gosh, that wasn't done. Okay, one more time for both bats. Go. Oh man. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Wow.
What is it, girls?
Look, there's BB surprise. Look what we have. The L.O.L. AllStar B.B.s. So cool. Let's unbox them. Oh, I'll get the red. I'll get the blue. This is going to be so awesome. Wonder who we get. it. But I have to open this. Wait. House girl. House girl. House girl. What? Home run. Home run. Home run. Yeah, home run. Look at this stand. So cool. Whoa. All surprises. Whoa, look at those B.B. surprises. Whoa, let's open some surprises. I think I know who I got. I think so. Wait, I don't know who I got though. Oh, look at her headband. It's red. Now let me open this up. Oh, guys, look who I got. Who did I get? She's so cute. I'm gonna open her next. Ooh, look at her pink outfit. She has pink just like me, my favorite color. Oh, look! She has this helmet. Oh, I think I know who you got. Guys, look at she has a golden picture. Wow. I think this is a rare because she has golden. I'm gonna have to see after. She has this. Aw, so cute. Let me check my next prizes. Look at her bottle. It's sparkly. What a team fun. I'm just gonna take this off. Ah, it's messy. Whoa, missing any surprises? One more surprise. I think this is the bottle. I think this is a shoe. I'm sure. Look at this. She has a. Her shoes are so cute, guys. Guys, look at these. What's this? Oh, this tells you who you got. And then you stand on the ball. Guys, look at that. Okay, who did you get? I got her. Oh my gosh, she's so cute with her hairstyle. Wow. Let's get her all dressed up. Yeah. These are so cool. Put on her helmet.
So what is the name of LaLa's? What did she get? What team?
Look at the accessories. I got the blue team and especially it comes with a bat. I got the bat team. Put on her.
What team did you get, Nyha?
I got the pink team. And her team is all Lucky Stars and mine is Heartbreakers. I think I got, no, mine is Heartbreakers. No, mine is Heartbreakers. Yours is Lucky Stars. Oh, we're the good team. We win. Oh, guys, I really like her outfit. It's so cute. Look, it's so cute. Here's a baseball bat. Let's dress them all up and put them on the ball, LaLa. I think we still have one more surprise. I think so. I don't know. Wait, right here. Yeah, you have to see who you got. Her name is Cody Babe. Cozy Babe. Her name is Angel. Aww. Wait, does she have angel wings? No. Well, she's Angel. You don't think she's supposed to have them? Well, she has her baseball bat. Guys, look at her picture. Aww. Oh, her headband. I almost forgot that. Cozy Babe is so cute. At least she has a. Well, mine comes with a helmet. Yeah. Does yours? No, mine comes with the headband though. So cute. Aww, Cozy Babe is so cute. I love Angel. Whoa, these are so cute. I'm gonna set up mine. Here's her bat. She can hold her bottle too. I like the hair. Okay, let me open my.
A few moments later.
Here's the checklist with all the dolls. And it says that you can't find me. And it says, game on. And then the one that me and LaLa got is Cozy Babe, Angel, and Spike. Now, let's look at the dolls. Here's Spike.
Okay, Nyha.
Here's Angel. She has a hat. She has the pretty sparkly pink hair. She has her pretty outfits with a skirt, a jacket, and her pants and her leggings.
So does she play outfield?
Yes. And then she also has a star on her cheek mark. And then she also has some angel wings. And then in order to put them on, they don't stick. You had to get them, and then there was a rubber band right there to put it on, and then there's the angel wings. They're sparkly too. Okay guys, now let me show you the rest of them. And guys, one more thing, they don't really stand on top. They have a crowd thing. There's the certificates, and they're the lucky stars. And also inside, you can stand them up.
Amazing.
Yes. She comes with them.
Okay, LaLa, so what do you want to say about yours?
Show them yours, LaLa. Show all the accessories, just show them. Tell them how sparkly they are too. Look, she's super sparkly, she loves sparkly, but you know what reminds me? When I take this off, the ball pitcher.
She's a catcher.
Yes, catcher. The person who stands like that. She's a catcher. No, she's the catcher.
She's the catcher.
She's a ball catcher.
She's the baseball player, right?
Baseball
Okay.
player. And guys, you know what reminds me of? This isn't any girl. This outfit. She's a bit. It looks like she is part of football, but she's not just part of football or baseball. It's like she can fly. Very cool.
Look at her hair, LaLa. It looks like she has braids.
It's really cool. It's like
Does she-
French braids. all
That's
over.
awesome. LaLa, can we see her close up in the camera?
Yeah, but if she falls, safety. Go show the camera.
Safety. Awesome.
Mama. She's gonna fly right to you. Look at this, that, this.
Cutie tootie.
Very. She can fly. Good. Okay, now we have the pink team. I actually really love her, my hair color. And she has her headband, and you could tighten it in the back in order to get the right color. Her bottle. Her outfit looks just like the other one where it was in the blue team outfit. Her little pants have the stuff around it. Pom-pom shoes. The ball where you can hang
Oh,
it.
is she a cheerleader?
I think so.
I would say. Let's see what that paper back there says. What about?
I would say. Cause
So cute. Nyha, look at that little skirt. Let us see that little skirt on her. That is
it's
amazing.
so cute. It's fluffy around.
She's a doll. Very adorable. Spin her around. Model her up. Adorable. Play ball.
And then guys, oh, sorry little one. But guys, look, it's a baseball.
Oh,
And again, you could stand them up inside.
nice. Very nice. Okay, Nyha.
These dolls are super cool. Oh, one more thing on here again. Let's see what they are.
They are super cool, Nyha. LaLa, are they super cool?
Yeah.
Her hair, LaLa. You should bring her to the camera so we can all see her
It
braids.
doesn't say who she is.
No?
No,
Okay.
but she is the cheerleader.
She's a cheerleader. That's for sure.
I'm sure.
Oh, just look at those braids.
Guys, I know what to do. I figured it out. Guys, I figured it out. I actually figured it out. So when you go like this and you close it, they don't fit. And you go like that, then you close it up. Now I get it. See, you stand. So the stand inside, you stand them up, in, and then it closes. Maybe not.
No,
It's probably just her bun.
she's just adorable. She's like sweet, adorable. Look at the little pom-poms.
Guys, her stand came off.
Look at that. It's okay. It's like she's surfing. But she's so cute. So, Nyha, I think you have some other things to show us.
Oh, yes.
Don't you?
Yes. Sure do. Let's fix Cozy Babe's little thing.
Looks like you're playing some rough baseball yesterday.
Yeah. We were playing some baseball and my pants accidentally ripped.
Absolutely. That's okay. That's part of the sport.
That's actually
Girly.
what baseball does.
That's what baseball does.
You get dirty with sand, you rip your pants, you mess up your shoes.
Yes, you do. But you know what? That's part of the game. Does that remind you when your brother was a catcher, Nyha?
Yeah, because my brother, on that one, he used to be one of the things, and he was so good. He was like that, and he caught the ball.
Amazing. Can you demonstrate that again, Nyha? How was your brother a catcher? How did he do it, LaLa,
He
Nyha?
goes like this, and then you wait, and then you catch it.
Awesome.
The next thing is, it's actually very sparkly. Me and my sister are going to share these. And what me and my sister are going to share, we have some strawberry L.O.L lip gloss. We have apple lip gloss. We have some orange lip gloss. We have some wild cherry lip gloss. We have some, lemon. I actually kind of want to smell this.
Oh boy, okay.
Feels good. Now, what else?
Nyha, I think you
Wild
loved it so much
cherry.
that you got a tip on your nose. The other part of the nose, yes. You loved it. Have you tried any one on?
No.
You haven't tried one on
I
yet?
actually have tried lemon.
And how did lemon taste?
Really good.
Did it taste good? Awesome.
Wild cherry.
Oh.
We have grape. We have wild berry.
Wild berry.
Yeah, these are also cool.
But
Mama.
have you tested all of them? Have you tried them all on?
No.
No?
No.
You just really tried the lemon?
Yeah, I really liked it.
Awesome.
The ones that I tried was all the strawberry ones. Actually, I've tried all of them.
Oh, you did? Okay, so what did you think?
They're really cool.
Do they have a flavor? Do they not have
They
a flavor?
actually do have a flavor.
They do.
Yeah,
Amazing.
except for the green apple. Except for the green apple, it kind of smells like a soap. A soap mixed with green apple.
Looks like your sister's having a ball out there since
Yeah.
we're doing this baseball.
It's a ball. Get it? L.O.L ball.
Yeah.
She has a baseball as well. L.O.L baseball.
Amazing. So all in all, Nyha and LaLa, what did you girls think of these new?
They're perfect. Guys, you need to check them out at the store and buy them. They're really cool. Like this video, if you guys want to hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and give us a huge thumbs up. Our goal is to get to 3,000 subscribers. Make sure to always stay sweet and kind to others.